Yes, hello, what's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday all. Yan, so what's up? Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating regular client, home boxing and fitness training. Happy Sunday, what's up? What's up guys? After 3 months na training, natapos din. So,
ano masasabi mo, Coach?
it's good.
Why?
See you on 3 months again.
See you after 3 months.
See you Sunday. Bye bye. Hello, good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday yan. 21 with my 3 months
favorite client.
Ayan, so long time, 3 months. 3 months, di ba? 3 months daw. So,
yan ang pagpapagalit ni Coach. Kailangan i-video para may ebidensya. Pero hindi ako naapektuhan.
So what's up? Welcome to my vlog. What's up? What's up? Good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday all. It's the training of the
Why is it happy? Kailangan ako. Kasi yung kaibigan ko nagre-reklamo, bakit hindi na ako marunong tumira? I-trip pa tayo nagkita. Wala pa yung gloves na.
What's up? Good morning.